Okay, get ready. Get ready. Look at your feet. On you.
Set, go.
Ready. All right, that's 5.
Set, go. Set, go.
Don't lift that foot up, that front foot. Face me.
Set, go.
So you're dragging it. Just hop like that. That's 8. Back up.
This is 3-step drops.
5s. You got 5 steps. That was 8, 5 steps. So you got 2 more 5 steps. Make sure I get a hop at the end.
Set, go.
Hop. Don't drag it. Put it in the ground. That's 9. One more. Hop at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. Not bad. Okay.